Imagine driving home with the person you've loved for decades. Just another normal day. Nothing unusual, nothing dangerous. Then, in a matter of seconds, a stolen car traveling at nearly 80 miles per hour crashes into your vehicle, and your entire world changes forever. This is the heartbreaking story of how one man lost his wife because of two teenage carjackers.
The car you're seeing on screen was stolen the day before, after two suspects shot a man 3 times and drove off in his vehicle. Now, after an 80-mile-per-hour chase, they were about to brutally kill an innocent person.
Around. Bleeding on an elderly male, bleeding on blood centers, elderly female with an injury.
Somebody is coming right at you. It's got one headlight. He's doing about 80. Within my left.
Good hit, crashed out, send the squad. Radio, send a couple squad. Radio on an elderly male, bleeding on blood centers, elderly female with an injury. Stand by for me. Hold on. Stay in the car for me. Sorry, he hit.
Oh, man.
Back here! Here! Off! Don't move! You're gonna get bit!
I'm on blood thinners.
Okay, let me get.
Where did this guy come from?
Radio, I got an elderly male bleeding on blood thinners, elderly female with an injury.
Keep your hands where I can see them! Hey, let me see your hands! I don't give a That's your problem. Is anybody in the back seat?
Stay in the car for me. Is she okay over there?
Hey, go to the other side, sir. Would you please, my wife?
Can you check on the wife on the other side?
She's an elderly woman.
Can I use this rag?
I don't care.
Open your thumb up for me.
I can't.
Can you hold this for me? How's your other hand look? Hold that tight. I got squads coming to look at you. Hang tight. I got people coming, okay?
Okay.
We gotta shut down the road here. Huh?
We're just shook up. Yeah. Okay, stay in the car for me, please.
I know. We're helping. We're gonna help you.
Where do you want us?
We're gonna help you. My name is Officer Mark. What's your name?
If you can shut it down, look for my phone.
She's okay. She's okay. Tell me what hurts. Hey, LT, can you get cover on him so I can put him up? Don't move.
I'm not gonna move. I'm trying to
Can't move, man. My leg. Where's the gun at? Don't point. Don't reach for it. Just tell us. Don't look at it. Look out that way. You look out that way.
Honor those men and women who gave everything by reading their names aloud.
Tell the squad to come to the white pickup truck. We have 2 elderly injured in the white pickup truck.
sure their sacrifice is never forgotten.
Hold on. Let's get a little more cover till we get them out.
From Thanksgiving to New Year's,
Sally.
at least one mortgage-free home a day is being given away for 37
Okay, don't move. Don't move. Just keep squeezing my hand, okay?
Donate 11.
You want me to take the belt off? Okay.
T2T.org. That's T.
Is that better?
T.
Okay, don't move too much. You said your stomach hurts, right? Your ribs hurt? Okay.
Are you in pain? Cover him. Cover the driver. Cover the driver. Wow. Maybe you should just give up next time. I want to drive. Or maybe you should whack him in his head until he stops driving.
Is there anybody else in this car but you two? Nobody in the back?
His legs broke. Yes.
Are you trapped?
Yes. I can't leave my legs.
We got the fire department coming here. They're going to cut this car out, cut it open, and get you out.
Can't pull me through the front, sir.
Can you move that way?
You can pull me out. I can't move myself.
Hold on a minute. We're going to check him first. He's got worse injuries. Cover him. I'm going to see if I can get him out. Cover him. There's a gun in the car, so keep your gun on him.
Okay.
He's cuffed, but I'm going to try to help him out of the car. Because he asked if I could help him climb out. What?
Montel.
Montel?
Montel.
Rontel? You're going to be all right, man. Paramedics are here. Do you think you can move? If I help you crawl out?
My leg. Damn, look at my leg.
I can't pull you out. I'm just going to hurt you more. Let the fire department come and cut this open. They're going to cut this open. Just relax, okay? Just breathe in nice and slow. Just breathe in. Driver. He's got a broken leg. The driver may be able to get out, but his leg's broken.
Okay, she's been on the floor, but they're trapped. Sir, you want to back up the ambulance? They're going to end up taking a look at her first.
Okay, these guys are going to help you out. Okay, that's great. Good job.
Move this leg.
Okay. Okay, we're going to get you out, okay?
The other dude's leg is folded up to his chest.
Weapon secured.
Where's the other one? Okay.
Tell the squad to come to the white pickup truck. We have 2 elderly injured in the white pickup truck.
Radio advised the engine that people in the blue car were just stolen. There's a handgun on the floor, but they're trapped in it due to the accident. So we need them to get extracted from here.
Okay.
I need scissors also. Come on, let's go.
3 spike strips out. He tried avoiding them. Hit one of them. Lost control and hit the truck head on.
They injured? And the other?
Right.
Yeah.
Both all week.
Oh, man.
He picked my leg.
Check this out. How are those people? According to Mark, but
Can I get ID from him?
yeah, try to get something out of them.
Jay Marlin.
J-A-Y-M-A-R-L-O-N.
Explain.
Blood thinners, I heard.
That was the male,
Okay.
as far as I know. And then the female, she had some, I guess, some stomach pain, some rib pain, possibly.
Nothing life-threatening though. Didn't look like it.
No.
They're lucky, and these guys are lucky.
Yeah.
Juveniles are on around.
Dave, I need your side though.
He's a 19-year-old male out of Berea, showing suspended as a Mary.
Okay.
I'll put a call on left hip rib fracture.
Most likely right femur.
Possible right femur.
Most likely.
And 110, if you're driving with the quad or riding with the quad,
We got a femur. Femur, leg. Looks like tip, fib, obvious. And then whatever's going on with his shoulder. Femur, obvious. One of those guys asked for his name and DOB or whatever.
Okay.
You can give me that for the hospital. Rontel Parks.
All right.
Let's see if I get a 6. So, yeah. Watch yourself. Keep an eye on those guys. Yep. Probably going to be murder charges. All right. See ya. So I let those guys know. Huh? No kids. Me too.
I was going to go Bainbridge. That's why I was in that right turn lane. And it kind of was moving. So then as soon as they said, Tony, did you stick him? You stuck him good?
Truck first. Push that truck all the way back here.
You can see the gouges in the road there.
I'd say felonious assault. There is bodily harm.
103 Ken. He's coming back actually with 19. So I don't know if we need it back here anymore.
The man whose car was stolen that day thankfully survived. He was shot thrice during the carjacking but recovered.
I'm lucky that he didn't kill me. I think he was trying to kill me. Knocks on my window really hard. I look over and he's pointing a gun at me, gesturing for me to get out. So I'm like, okay. Put my hands up, get out of the car. Another guy runs up from the same direction. And then like immediately, as soon as I saw him running up, he shot. The first few shots, I'm like, oh God, he's gonna kill me, right? I think that this is over. It just didn't feel right. Like, oh, it's gonna die here. Things can really change really quickly and they might have no control over it. They're just gonna spend the rest of their life in prison because they made stupid decisions at a young age, 19, 20. For the rest of their life, they may be locked up. Now, how could that ever be worth it? Like, just find a better route in life.
As for the two suspects, they didn't get far and would eventually face justice in court fit for their crime.
The defense suggests that the defendant has the potential to do good. I hope that's true. However, any good you do for a long time to come will be within the state prison.
When you don't stop and you go through 3 communities, you put other people's lives in jeopardy.
I understand what I did was wrong, and I take full responsibility for all my actions.
I have to admit that in this situation, forgiveness is not a place where I have yet arrived.
The woman in the pickup truck they crashed into never made it home that night. She died at the hospital from her injuries. She was 85 years old. The driver, 19 years old, was convicted across multiple cases spanning a months-long crime spree, including involuntary manslaughter, aggravated robbery, and carrying a concealed weapon. He was also separately indicted on 9 drug-related counts, including trafficking. Combined, his sentences totaled 71.5 years in prison. His passenger, 20, also faced charges from the crash, but they were dropped in favor of more serious counts out of Cleveland, tied to the original carjacking. He was convicted on charges including aggravated robbery and attempted murder, and sentenced to 18 years.